One of the reasons I stay with MEA is, number one, the relationships and the responsiveness and the value that you get for what they provide. It's a very wide range of services for a very reasonable price, and knowing when you call them that they're going to respond and respond in a timely manner, very, very important.
They're responsive, they're flexible, they get to know you, and they have a wealth of resources that they can tap into.
I would tell anybody who asks if they should join MEA, which I have suggested MEA to people, that the hotline is great. You can get legal advice. There are seminars. We had someone come out and give harassment training to all of our employees.
You can call them last minute and say, I need training next week in this for a few of my employees, and they'll say, sure, we'll make it happen. We'll come to your site. They make things happen quickly, efficiently, they get back to you. It's just, you really want to deal with a company that caters to your needs, and that's what MEA does.